How has God wired women? How has God wired men?
I want you to think of cappuccino cafes across America. Are there little round tables in these cafes, or are there long rectangle tables? Well, they're little round tables. And are there three men who came in from the construction site, Harry, Joe, and Sam, and they're all 300 pounds, and they're sitting there, "Hey, Harry, here's your doily, and here's," I can't get my thumb out of the teacup. "Hey, how do you feel about the way we're pouring the concrete? Talk to me about your feelings. Tell me, how do you really feel about the construction site and our orange helmets?" No, that's not going on. Usually you have two women sitting there, and Dr. Deborah Tannen, the great linguist who has done great research into gender differences, says that women get together to share the report to build rapport. They share the report to build rapport. They give the report to build rapport. So the women are connecting face to face, and you watch them, and they're going back and forth. Yes, yes. And they're talking relationally. They're talking about their marriages. They're talking about their children. They're talking about her mother who's been in ill health. They're talking about relationships. Women are the caregivers. Huge. They care. And they talk about people. It's huge to them. And they can't not look at one another when they're talking. They have to look, you know. Even when they're driving, scary. They look, really. Harry said that to you? I can't believe that. He did, huh? He did, huh? Women can't not look when they're talking heart to heart.
Come to the Love and Respect Marriage Conference, where you'll learn your spouse isn't wrong, just different.